We rewarded Poppy every time she touched the marble until she eventually pushed the marble down the ramp. This is an example of shaping, which means giving step-by-step rewards until the final goal is met. Generalization is when one behavior is associated with similar stimuli. Poppy showed generalization when she stood when she saw any hand above her. Fixed ratio is a schedule of reinforcement where a set number of actions are required before the consequence or reward. The Skinner box is set up like this. Every time Poppy pushes the bar down, she gets a pellet.
Acquisition is when you first associate a behavior with a consequence. Poppy used the Skinner box and showed acquisition when she first associated the pellet with pushing the bar. Current conditioning is when an action and reward or consequence are linked. It is a type of associative learning where we learn to repeat acts that bring good results and avoid acts that bring bad results. Poppy used the Skinner box to link the pellet and pushing the bar.
Law of effect uses rewards or pleasant stimuli to make something more likely to be repeated or occur again. We used food rewards to get Poppy to put the basketball in the hoop.
Escape is performing a behavior in order to terminate an aversive stimulus. Poppy tries to get across the rod to get away from the shakiness of it.
Latent learning is when learning is present but isn't shown until there is an incentive to do so. With the maze, Poppy didn't show learning until we gave her food as an incentive for her to do it.
Poppy went through the maze and had a mental layout of her environment, which is an example of cognitive map. Discrimination is when various behaviors are associated with differentiated stimuli. Poppy twisted when we moved our hand in a circle but stood when we raised our hand above her.
Expectancy model is when our brain learns to predict or expect a situation. Poppy learns to expect food when she sees a hand above her.